Welcome to the Engineering Management and Research School at Patil International University, where future engineers are shaped into industry leaders.
There comes a moment in every young mind when curiosity becomes ambition. A moment when machines are no longer just machines, when structures become dreams, when ideas begin to look like the future. Because the world doesn't move forward by chance. It moves forward because someone chooses to build it. Welcome to Patil International University, a place where future engineers are not just educated, they are transformed. Here, learning is not limited to classrooms or textbooks. It lives inside workshops, laboratories, innovation centers, projects, conversations, and experiences that prepare students for the real world.
I am proud to present our future-focused engineering programs in civil, chemical, mechanical, and semiconductor engineering. Coupled with a vibrant research culture, this approach ensures our graduates are industry-ready and future-ready.
At the School of Engineering, every student begins a journey, not only toward a degree, but toward discovering their true potential. In civil engineering, students don't simply study construction. They learn how tomorrow's cities will rise. With advanced facilities like 3D concrete printing labs, environmental engineering labs, surveying labs, and fluid mechanics laboratories, students gain practical exposure from the very beginning.
Civil engineering is the right choice, and our department offers the perfect platform to begin that journey.
In chemical engineering, science meets innovation. Students explore how industries transform ideas into products that impact millions of lives every single day.
Chemical engineering is a core engineering discipline focused on designing, optimizing, and managing large-scale processes that transform raw materials into valuable products we use every day.
Every experience pushes students to think deeper, innovate better, and grow stronger.
This blend of industrial experience and mentorship make us graduate completely industry ready and prepared to innovate.
And then comes the world of mechanical engineering, where imagination takes physical form. At Patil International University, students enter an ecosystem built around smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 technologies. But engineering here goes beyond laboratories. It comes alive in competitions, in teamwork, in sleepless nights spent building something extraordinary together.
Together, these initiatives prepare students to become competent engineers ready to meet the challenges of modern industry.
And as technology reshapes the world, DYPIU prepares students for the future of semiconductor innovation. From chip design to fabrication, students gain hands-on exposure to the complete semiconductor ecosystem.
At DYPIU, we go beyond education. We engineer the future, one chip, one innovation, and one breakthrough at a time.
DYPIU is not just about academics. It is about becoming the person you dream of being. A confident leader, a skilled innovator, a creative thinker, a future entrepreneur, a responsible engineer. Because the future belongs to those who are ready to create it. And here, students don't wait for opportunities. They build them. Patil International University, School of Engineering Management and Research, where innovation meets ambition, where learning meets the future, and where future engineers begin their journey.